Hello, I am Hybrid, and today we've got another LEGO set, another Star Wars set, and it is the Dark Trooper Attack set. Okay, so here it is. This is the Star Wars Dark Trooper Attack set, set number 75324, and it is 166 pieces. So this scene is from the season finale of season 2 of The Mandalorian, where Luke Skywalker is storming the cruiser where the Mandalorian and co are held up, and Luke takes on the Dark Troopers, and then eventually reaches the bridge and takes Grogu off to be trained. A nice little set, nice little scene set with movable features as well. Quite a lot of stickers, unfortunately. I know a lot of us aren't a big fan of the stickers on sets. It's understandable as to why they do it, because it's obviously going to be a lot cheaper printing stickers, I'd imagine, than printing onto the plastic itself. Not to mention that when it's printed on plastic, there is that risk of it getting scratched and damaged in the bags. But otherwise, no. A really nice set. But no, I like this one. It was a very straightforward, very quick set to do. Like I say, the only real fiddly part was the stickers. And I even quite like the Dark Trooper sets as well with their armor plates. I think this is the first set I've done where they've actually had some kind of body armor go over on before you click on the heads, which is pretty cool. So yes, another successful set. Not too bad a price either, really, which is always nice. All in all, nice little set scene. Thanks for watching the video, hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, see ya.